Stop dreading daily cleaning. Here's how to make it a breeze with 8 spots you should tackle every day. First up, doorknobs and handles. They're germ magnets, so give them a swipe with a disinfectant wipe. Next, the kitchen sink. Avoid fruit flies by cleaning food particles and try this: ice cubes and baking soda in the drain. Thank us later. Onto the dishwasher. Check for food buildup daily and wipe down the handle. Easy, right? Microwave users, listen up. Wipe it down after every use to avoid a science experiment of smells and stains. A microfiber towel and degreaser will do wonders. Kitchen table and chairs need love too. Wipe them down after each meal to dodge stains and sticky spots. Bathroom sink, a daily wipe to keep it fresh. Don't forget the faucet handles, the toilet seat and flush handle. But they need daily attention. Trust us, it's worth it. Lastly, electronics. Phones, remotes, keyboards, wipe them down with 70% alcohol wipes to keep germs at bay. And there you have it, 8 easy spots to clean daily for a healthier, happier home. Happy cleaning.